Okay, this is how you install instant meshes and how you're going to use it with Fluent. So first you're going to search for instant meshes. Okay, I'll get it right here in a minute. And then you're going to click on the GitHub link, and you're going to scroll down. You're going to find the precompiled binaries. You're going to click the Mac OS if you got Mac OS like I do. I save it to the download file. I go to that file, and then you double click it to unzip it. You can get rid of the zip. And then now we're going to open another Finder window with Command N in Applications, and we're going to take here's Applications, and then here's where we downloaded it, our download folder, and I'm going to take it over to Applications. And then now you need to run it one time before you can run it from anywhere else. So double click it. It says it's downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click yes, and it will open. Now if it says you can't do it from because it's not from a certified developer or approved developer, you're going to have to go to your system settings and then go to privacy and security, and then down here it'll ask was blocked, and you're going to click open anyway. But as you can see, I've opened it here one time, so now we're going to quit it. Okay, so now we're going to go and open up Blender, and this is 3.6. You can see right here, down here on the right, and just click General, and then we're going to go to the add-ons by going Command, I use, and then we're going to look for Fluent. And if you got Fluent, Power Trip, or the other one, it's going to be here, and you're going to go down and select the remesh. You're going to make sure this is instant mesh, and then you're going to look for it with the browser. And then you're going to go to Applications, and you're going to find Instant Meshes as app, and click Accept, and now it's there. So now you can go to your mesh, hit F, bring up the Fluent menu, hit Cloth Panel, and then you're going to select which face you want. Let's select this one and hit Enter, and then there you go, there's your cloth.